Hello, guys. Good afternoon, and welcome to our live trading session for today. Okay, so without further ado, as we all know, today is a CPI day, and in less than 11 minutes, the CPI data is going to be released. All right. So, guys, let's quickly make analysis and see how we can profit from the data that is about to be released today. So, all right, so let's quickly make analysis. Let's make a fresh analysis and see what's going on in the market. So on the 2-hour time frame, we have, the data closing in around this level. So this is an analysis I made earlier before our live trading session. And the market, as you can see, is obviously bullish. So what we're going to do now is we have a fair value gap here. And as you can see, the market has already closed on the fair value gap. And then we have this high, which we are expecting the market to take out, and make further high. So here's what's going to happen. Let's go down to the lower time frame. So what I'm expecting from this market is I expect the market to buy from this level, using this level as our stop loss and this as our take profit, right? So guys, we are going to place this trade now. We are going to place the trade, and please make sure you have enough capital before you open position for this news, all right? Please, it's very important. If you have a low balance, I would suggest you stay away from the market. Right, so we have less than 8 minutes to impact. less than 6 minutes to impact. Okay, guys, 3 minutes to impact. So guys, let's open a buy position on XAUUSD. All right, open a buy position on XAUUSD and use the stop loss. So we have less than 2 minutes. Our TP is open. Guys, use the stop loss in case the market decides to go against us. We have our stop loss here. Okay, guys, it's happening now. All right, we are holding. When I say close position, you close positions, all right? Okay, we are still holding. I guess the data that was released Okay, guys, close close positions. Close positions, guys. We made massive. Okay, guys, so we made massive profit, and if you took the trade, congratulations to you. Um, so this is how the news event is traded. All right, and you see why you need to join my premium group. What we are doing here is just tip of an iceberg. All right, so if you join my premium group, you get even better. Okay, even better signals. So imagine if we can do this right here within a few minutes. Just imagine what we can achieve together in the premium group. So guys, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Now click on the banner. If you click on the banner, it will take you straight to the deposit page. Now, when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit $200, $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So guys, let's do that and come make real profits from forex trading. So let's quickly look at other instruments that is not affected by the news. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, I guess this was also affected. BTC USDT. Okay, it was affected by the CPI. Yeah, they were all affected. All right, so let's check on GBP JPY. So what do we have on GBP JPY? Okay, so on GBP JPY, this looks good. Looks very promising. Okay, guys. So as you can see, unfortunately, we can't open position on GBP JPY. Uh, okay, so as I was saying, we can't open position on GBP JPY because the market has moved past our entry point. Okay, the market has moved past our entry point. So okay, yeah, let's look for another market to analyze. No. We can't do NZD, USD. So these are the all the USD associated pair, the pair that was affected by the news. So let's look for pairs that is not associated with the USD. Okay. I think there was also a news on CAD, the Canadian dollar. So let's check on. Okay. Yes. So we have AUDJPY, and I don't think AUDJPY was affected in any way. So on AUDJPY, you can see the, so earlier we have a liquidity grab around this zone. Okay, we have the market closing liquidity. Okay, so this is the zone, and from here to here, or we can just place it here. Okay, we also have liquidity here. We have another one. All right. So AUDJPY is still moving bullish. Okay, let's check on Euro AUD. Let's see what happened on Euro AUD. I think we also have a news event on Euro, on the AUD associated pair. Okay. So sometimes when there's a news event that is going to affect the USD, most instruments, also follow because the USD is a strong currency. So when we have a data release in the US, most likely all other instruments will be affected. Okay, because every country, in one way or the other, trade using the USD. All right. So I think that is what's happening here right now. As you can see, the news was also disturbed by the Euro AUD pair. All right. So Euro CAD was also affected. So no instrument or pair was left out. Right. All right. So I guess they were all affected. See, we have a very long spike down here. Euro NZD wasn't left out either. All right, so let's move down. So during this kind of period, you know, if you can't get a good entry, it's best if you just, stay out of the market. Okay. Wait for the market to clear out before you open any, further position. So right now, there's really no much entry opportunity for us. Okay, so we have one on GBP CAD. But let's see how much we're going to be risking here. Okay, so we have a reasonable uh, risk to reward ratio. But the reason why I'm not going to open the position here is because we previously had rejections from the same zone, and I think this will be the okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be the sixth rejection from the same zone. Okay, this would be the sixth rejection from the same zone. Uh, if we are going to open a position here, I suggest we don't go or hold the trade for long. All right, I'm not going to hold the trade for long. On the daily time frame, as you can see, the market is respecting this other block. Okay, the market is respecting this other block. Yeah. Okay, so let me quickly share to my premium members. Okay. So if you want to get this, go fund your account. Right? Fund your account with at least $10. So that way, you get to be added into the premium group. And then you also get to enjoy free signals and free market analysis. All right. All right, let's take a look at XAU one more time. Okay. All right. All right. All right. So we're currently on Nasdaq. Okay. We're currently on Nasdaq 100, uh, and this is the 4-hour time frame. And what we have here on the 4-hour time frame is suggesting that Nasdaq is going to move down for a while, right? So we still need confirmation. We need a candle pattern or rejection, to confirm our analysis or our speculation. So this is a zone, though. This is a zone. But we need to be careful with our entry. Okay, this is Nasdaq we're talking about. It's a very volatile instrument, and if you are having a low balance, trust me, you don't want to trade this pair, right? So if you have a small balance, you don't want to trade Nasdaq 100. Okay, so this is not for small accounts, but uh, you know, if you are a lover of Nasdaq 100, here is the analysis, and for me, the market is going to move down. Okay, even though it doesn't get to this point, even though it doesn't, like go down for a long time, but it's going to get to, a level where you are going to make um, a good profit. Okay. All right. So this is an analysis I made, I think, on Monday. Okay, I made this analysis for USDJPY, and I said the market was going to come into the 50%. So you see the market get into the 50%, exactly the 50%, and sold down to this level. Guys, don't play with my analysis. Okay. So if you want to learn how to analyze the market properly, you want to learn how I'm able to get all these beautiful entries. Just fund your account with $200. So that way you'll be able to have a one-on-one session with me. Okay. And the $200 you are funding is not to have the session with me actually. If you fund your account with $200, the money is going into your trading account. Okay. So just your usual way of funding, the money will go into your trading account. You'll be able to open positions with the money. You can withdraw your money anytime you want. Okay, but you need to fund it through my live stream for me to know that you want to learn from me or you want to have the session with me. Okay, so anytime you want to fund, just come to the live stream. Click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Once you click it, it's going to take you to the deposit page. Okay. When you get to the deposit page, deposit any amount you want, $10, $15, or $200. All right. You can deposit more than that if you want. All right. But if you deposit below $10, you'll not be qualified to join the premium group. Okay. If you deposit exactly $10, you'll be added to the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be qualified to join the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session. Okay. So guys, please let's utilize this opportunity unless you don't want to make money. So if you're really serious about making money from Forex trading, I would advise you click on that banner and fund your account. All right, so let's take a look at other instruments, right? I think the news event has passed and we can analyze the market properly now. All right. So here we have a break of structure to the upside. And then we have this huge fair value gap here. So I think this can be used as an inducement level. Okay. So this can be an inducement level. So I think this market is going to come down because we still have the 50%. Still have the market. The market hasn't touched the 50% yet. So this is the analysis for NZD-CAD. Okay. The New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Yeah. All right. So let's continue. Let's go to other pair. Let's go to GBP USD. So on GBP USD, we have this market movement. The market had previously taken liquidity here. So right now we have sellers that are waiting for the market to get here for them to push the market to the downside. Right? So you need to understand one thing as a forex trader, that everything we are doing here is trying to figure out what the liquidity providers are doing. Okay, if the liquidity providers are looking to buy or if they want to sell. So you don't control the market as an individual. Uh, yeah, you contribute to it, but we have liquidity providers. So liquidity providers are, you know, the big fish in the forex world. Okay, they have the money. World Bank, Industrial Bank, uh, the top companies. So they are the liquidity providers. They invest billions of dollars. So uh, that's why you need to, have patience with your analysis, right? So you don't direct the market. You allow the market to make decision on its direction, and then you follow the market decision, right? So right now we are trying to figure out the direction GBP USD is heading to. Though we have the news event that just happened, spiked to this level. But this is the 4-hour time frame. So I think the market is still going to move from this level. Okay. So if I'm going to open a position here, it's definitely going to be sell position. Okay, it's gonna be a sell position from this point to this level and to this, because we have a fair value gap here, and then we have this other block. So this is a valid order block, because anywhere we have another block followed by a fair value gap, or a fair value gap followed by an order block, that other block is a strong order block. Okay, and the chances of the market reversing from such order block is very high. So you don't want to trade near such other block. So right now I'm not going to trade near this other block, even though this is the one 4-hour time frame. So my entry point is here, my take profit is here. Now let's go down to the lower time frame to see what we've done properly. Okay, so on the lower time frame, I think we need to adjust this a bit, because on the lower time frame, it's different story entirely, a bit different. Okay, yeah. So we have a fair value gap here. We have a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap, and then we have this other block. So I think this market is going to come back into this fair value gap or this other block before it continues its bullish move. Okay. So this is the next point of interest. All right. I'm expecting the market to come here. I'm expecting the market to do this. Okay. So maybe uh, go below the 50% and then continue to trade the upside. Right. So this is my speculation. Um, this is what I got from the analysis I made just now. All right. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. Okay. So guys, our CPI trade was a profitable one. So because of the news, it was very hard to get more entry opportunities. So, and the time is already against us. So guys, um, this is where we call it a day. All right. But today, that we'll continue again tomorrow. So guys, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.